sa sobrang init ng panahon, naisipan namin mag-release ng limited edition ng mga hoodie. This is called the Royals hoodie, and sa design na to, it features the custom artwork by Valve, and it features the King, Queens, Jokers, or the Royals sa mga playing cards, no? Pagdating naman sa kulay, it's made of 10 different colors in total, and this is silk screen printed. In fact, ginamitan nga to ng 25 screens in total para lang mabuo tong design na to. Pagdating naman sa front, it features the Ranit design featuring the same pattern and colorway ni Valve. Next, dito naman sa sleeves, makikita nyo na magkaiba yung design on each sleeve featuring the different patterns and yung colorway ni Valve. Pagdating naman sa quality ng hoodie, syempre 100% quality to kasi this is produced or manufactured by Medieval. First, yung material niya, it's 100% polar fleece and yung kapal niya, it's 400 GSM, ganun kakapal. In fact, makikita nyo yan doon sa bagsak ng hoodie, hindi siya basta nag-lay flat, diba? And pagdating naman sa sizing, we have small, ito yung pinakamaliit, and 2XL, ayan yung pinakamalaki, and oversized fit ito. Limited quantities lang ang i-release namin dito at once na naubos na namin to, hindi na kami magre-restock, okay? Yun lang.